let me show you some of my water bottles. So on the left right here is your standard USGI canteen that I've used for a long time. And here, the black wide mouth version of the clean canteen is what I use for meetings, for live streams, for in studio, whether it's coffee or water. My main canteen would be this. It's a 500 ml clean canteen. So I use it for shoots, assignments, and yeah, basically anything that involves me going out. And right here, the odd one out is something new. It looks promising. It is the Matador Packable Water Bottle. It's portable, it's tough, and it's nicely designed. So, the question is, does it work? I mean, that's all that matters, right? Let's find out. What's up, gearheads? Noel here, and once again we have another great find for the great outdoors, for backpacking, or for those extended photography trips. So I'm talking about the Matador Packable Water Bottle. So right now it's here on my desk, empty, and it looks cool enough. The concept is catchy. I mean, who doesn't want packable stuff? But as always, it's in the field test where we'll have our say. So thankfully, that's what we do here in Hammerhead Gearhead. So please like, subscribe, and crush that notification bell. And let's find out if this packable water bottle trumps all of my other water bottles. Matador is a company that makes high-performance, innovative travel and outdoor products. Based in Colorado in the US, Matador has a design-centric mindset, a commitment to performance, an understanding of application-driven simplicity, and a knack for innovation, all of which I really love. Now, obviously, I am a big fan of Matador, so let me show you some of the items and accessories that I have and actually use. Here at the leftmost is what we're reviewing today, which is the Matador Packable Water Bottle, and here up top is my Matador on-grid packable hip pack. So this is for my everyday carry, my EDC. It has my wallet, my phone, my Leatherman Search, my Gerber fastball knife, USB cables, alcohol, pens, everything. But the thing is, I'm actually upgrading it to the Matador Free Rain waterproof packable hip pack because this one right here is not waterproof. So I'm just waiting for the other one to come in the mail. Now this is the Matador Flat Pack Soap Bar Case. I think this is underrated, one of the most awesome things that they've manufactured or produced. So what it does is that it keeps your soap inside. So I use this in tandem with my Peak Design wash pouch. So I put the soap here and then I put it inside the wash pouch. What this does is it prevents your wet soap from getting everything else wet, but it lets that soap dry through, even if it's sealed. So that's amazing. Check them out. And then here on the left would be the Matador Better Tether Strap. So I use this to latch sleeping bags and other packs to my Expedition backpack. So if you want to see how I actually use them or my review for the Expedition pack, then click right here. Now for the items I've already discussed, you can purchase them from ecophotoph.com. You can check them out. The link is in the description below. Go through all the Matador products, see for yourself if they suit your needs, and purchase them outright. Now here on the lower right is the Matador X Volcom Towel Poncho. So sadly, ecophotoph.com doesn't have this, so I had to get this from Amazon Japan. I saw it first at the Matador website and I had to get it because this towel poncho lets me change from, let's say, my wetsuit to board shorts or wet board shorts to dry ones without creating a fuzz, causing indecent exposure. So this is very, very useful and I'm glad that I have this. All right, to start off, let's get into the specs of the packable water bottle. The water bottle measures 11.5 inches tall, 4 inches wide, and 2.5 inches deep. It has a capacity of 1 liter and is made of BPA plus PVC-free TPU material. It weighs 70 grams when empty and retails for $29.99. Now let's go through the features one by one. First, it has a full-length straw for upright drinking. Next, it has a removable cap, like so. And it has a lockable bite valve. So you pull up to unlock and push down to lock. It also has this really strong Hypalon side handle, like so. and it packs down really small for travel. So the TBU material really flattens completely, taking up no extra space for when not in use. The wide opening makes it really easy to refill and clean the bottle, while the strong, welded, waterproof zipper closure can withstand over 100 pounds of pressure. When I'm hiking, I'm used to drinking from my bladder, so I brought the packable water bottle as a backup. I hooked it on my expedition pack using an S-binder. So my routine was, if I had my backpack on, I drank from the bladder. But if I wanted to move around better and more freely, I would leave my expedition bag with the bladder inside, and then I brought my camera and I held onto my packable water bottle as my water source. As for the strengths, well, first obviously will be portability. Having a water bottle, a 1 liter packable water bottle with you could mean the difference between a successful or unsuccessful photo trip, expedition, or adventure. So it doesn't matter if it's filled or if it's empty. So it could figure as your backup water source or as a container if you wish to share your water with your team members. And if you look at it, it still looks very compact even when filled. So it would fit cup holders or those side pockets for water bottles. Next, it's very easy to drink from. So I think that's very important because of this bite valve. Plus it doesn't leak because of this lock right here. And the bite valve is protected from dust and debris by this removable cap. Next, it's very easy to fill and to clean because of this wide mouth and very sturdy zipper. It actually reminds me of your typical water bladders. And finally, as if it's not packable enough, you can actually just roll this when not in use. So it's very flexible because of the material. So you can just roll it and stow it in your backpack or in your luggage if you don't need it. As for improvements, I have 3. First, if it's not completely filled with water, it gets kind of floppy and the water shifts around, moves around, and it's kind of distracting and can keep you off balance. But there is a way to solve this. According to the website, all you have to do is to blow air into it. And as you can see right now, solves it. It now has a more solid and sturdy shape. But this leads me to the next point, which is that you can forget having this water bottle stand upright. It's just really gonna fall off or fall down, unlike a flask. And lastly, because it's not insulated, it cannot keep your cold drinks cold and your warm ones warm. But this is made for portability and that it's packable. So if you want a water bottle that stands upright and keeps your drinks cold or warm, then just get a flask. And the $1 million question is, will I have a use for this packable water bottle? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. I mean, I'm very used to using my bladder for long hikes, extended hikes, treks, and so on. But I would definitely bring this either as an empty container if I want to have another beverage, for example, or if I want it filled because I want to have extra emergency water, or again, empty if I want to share my water with someone else without having them letting them drink from my own bite valve of my water bladder. Now, when do I use it on its own? Well, for short hikes. If I don't want to bring that clunky flask of mine, then I would bring this, which means that, it wastes next to nothing aside from the water inside it. And basically, it's like not having a flask at all when it's empty and I'm on my way back. And that is it for my review of the Matador Packable Water Bottle. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you would have some use for this water bottle, this very innovative product from Matador. If you want to see more of my work, then check out my Instagram, Noel Guevara Photo. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next video.